What's up, Pastor Mike? Say hi to the Haystack vlog. Haystack Nation. Go.
Drop my phone.
No,
What?
you didn't.
Where are you going?
I dropped my phone.
What are you doing?
I dropped my
You're
phone.
not gonna. Where did you drop it? Hold on. Hey. Hey. I thought you had it in your bag.
Huh?
I thought you had it in your bag.
No.
Come back here. Is this it? Hey.
What?
Is this it?
Where? I don't know. Is that it?
I don't know. I found it on the trail.
Let me go see.
This guy's so dramatic. Off, man.
Man, I just need to put it in my pocket.
Put it inside that bag, Mike.
What bag? Oh, this bag. No, it's not gonna fit.
What happened, Mike?
No, it's more secure here.
Inside that bag?
It's okay.
We'll go right over here and we'll get some drone footage. What happened? And so, do we have your permission to post this prank on YouTube? Huh?
Depends. I want to see it first.
I found it when you fell off your bike. I was like, I guess this is Pastor Mike's. I said, we're going to play a little prank on Pastor Mike. See how he reacts. Hey, man, pastors are human too, right?
Yeah.
Right? They go crazy if they lost an iPhone.
Hey, my wallet is in there too, an insurance card.
Oh, really? Oh, I guess now I understand. Did you check if it's there? Because it did fall and I had to pick it up.
Oh, let me make sure everything is in. Yeah. License, credit card, insurance.
All right, you're good. So that was our first prank on Pastor Mike.
Scary.
We don't call him Pastor Mike. We just call him Mike.